Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. How y'all doing? I hope you're doing okay. Welcome to another episode. It's me, me. Well, in this case, I have a 2020 Acura RDX. 2020 though. I have the video of 2018. You'll see the differences between these two cars. Okay. In this case, I'm going to show you how to do the oil change and the oil life reset. The setup is different, so you see it right here. Okay, way different. 2020 Acura RDX. Alright, before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. You know what to do with that. Anything you need to say, anything you have in mind related to this vehicle, put it in the comment box for me. I want to know what you think. Alright. Other than that, shout outs to my subscribers, new and old subscribers, and newcoming subscribers. You're welcome. Where would I be without you? Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the help. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's do this oil change in a 2020 Acura RDX. Yeah. You're gonna come here to the bottom. That's how you open the hood. You're seeing this guy in the streets. Come here to the middle. That's where the latch is. You need to hold it. Alright, 2020 2.0 liter. Okay, Acura RDX. Oil dipstick to check the level. 020 synthetic oil. That's the oil type. That's pretty much it. What else? This car takes the new Freon R1234 YF. Okay, max 0.555 kilograms. That's the Freon capacity. Spare tire, muffler, resonator right here. This is the, you can say cat, I don't know, it could be another resonator. This pipe is kind of funny though, like it's flat. The flats. That's our guy right there. Oh no, I'm sorry. Oil drain plug right here. That's to the flats. We're gonna have to remove this cover. Okay. And there it is. That's the oil filter. Cover right here. There it is. I'm gonna use 17, the old 17 to remove the oil drain plug. Okay. What we got here? How not remove the oil drain plug? Be careful. It's hot. Whee! See, that's why you wear gloves. Putting the oil drain plug back. Okay. Don't forget to tighten and snag it. 17mm socket. And clean after yourself. Now we proceed to remove the oil filter. Thank you! Remove the oil filter. Careful though, engine's hot. If you don't want to wait, just grab a rag. Okay, here it comes. Here it is. Ew. It's dark. get clean there where the oil filter sits. Alright. 6735. This is a new oil filter. Don't forget to load the gasket. The back. Made in USA. Just tied it by hand, don't use no tools. You don't wanna penetrate the oil filter. Then it's gonna be leaking. Big problems. Alright, put the cover back. Proceed to pour the oil. Alright, so let me put the engine oil cap back because I pour 5 quarts. Okay. The oil dipstick look like this. It's supposed to be right here. Right there, 5 quarts. So now we proceed to do the oil life reset. Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2020 Acura RDX 2.0 liter engine. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. When you start the vehicle, you see this message and you're tired of it, I'm gonna get a gun for you. Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to do that. Before I get into the action, you know the deal, you know what time it is. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Shout outs to my subscribers. Where would I be without you? Thank you for the love, support, and help. Alright, let's get it. First, you just press this guy right here, press it, and it's gonna be gone. Press it. Okay, now you scroll down, you'll see that. You scroll up or down, okay? So if you press it and hold it, the scroller, the roller, whatever you want to call it, you know what, let's just go down and see where we end up. Never mind. So right there, okay, you scroll down, you'll see that guy, the oil life 10%. All you're gonna do is press and hold it, okay? Press and hold it. And in a few seconds, it's gonna ask you if you wanna reset certain, there you go. Okay, now, all do items. Just click on this one, like that. And that's it, that's how you reset the oil life, okay? Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. You know what to do with that subscribe button and the like button and the share button. Don't forget to leave your comment below, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy, Astu, Burum.